Hello everyone, welcome to Nexas. Nexas is a project that provides a platform whereby developers can come with their project ideas, they validate them and receive feedback from real world users, and then they'll start building those projects or products, and then along the way, of course, they get the visibility and also earn rewards in a retroactive way, depending on the on-chain metrics that they generate in their project. We are trying to solve the three critical issues that we have identified in the state ecosystem. First is that there is no platform whereby uh, upcoming projects or ideas can be validated from real world users. And that means some developers, spend a lot of time, 3 to 6 months, uh, developing projects that won't have any use case or that won't be adopted by the community. The other issue is that there is a lack of visibility in that upcoming projects find it hard, to penetrate the already overcrowded ecosystem, and so some good projects, in the upcoming phase without the visibility end up dying or getting unnoticed. And the other issue that we have actually identified is that there is a funding issue as far as the stable ecosystem is concerned. Some projects actually don't require a lot of capital to start with. Some projects can require like 1,000 USD, 2,000, like small amounts. But the current funding, funnel that is on the Stellar ecosystem is that most of the funding is actually gotten from the Stellar Community Fund, which actually handles large amounts like 20,000 USD up to like 50 or 100K. So this leaves the small projects that would have actually contributed to the ecosystem uh, find it hard since they actually can't meet the metrics for required for them to get the bigger funding amounts. And so we've built a product or a project that actually will solve those critical challenges. So it's very simple. For a developer, they will just come to a platform, they will register their project idea or actually their project idea, then we give them visibility and we push their project through the real world users that we will have on a platform. The community will actually receive, will give them feedback, upvote their projects, and then in the end, once their project is validated, they can actually start building. So as they build, actually there will be funding campaigns on the platform that they can actually participate in order to generate, and raise funding. So depending on the metrics that they on the on-chain metrics, volume and gas fees generated in the application or project, they will be able to uh, get the equivalent amount, or depending on the algorithm that we'll be using, they will be able to get a portion of the funding amount available. And so with that, we'll be able to solve a lot of, challenges that are being faced by developers and their projects. And, we hope to get, small projects up and running. Good projects that, have been lacking visibility will be able to, gain the required visibility, and then we'll push them actually to become a great project. So we are still in development right now. We are actually developing the core smart contract functionality that will be handling all our core logic, and very soon we shall be on testnet and later on the mainnet. So thank you for the audience.